Welcome back. In Wednesday's business report, the NASDAQ composite broke another record at the open of trade as the major averages hit key milestones this week. Africa 54 correspondent Jill Malandrino has the details from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Jill.
Good afternoon, Esther. U.S. stocks opened relatively flat on Wednesday. It's been quite a week for the major averages as the NASDAQ composite crossed a major milestone, closing above the 6,000 level on Tuesday. In fact, we actually crossed to another record high this morning on Wednesday at 6037. The small cap Russell 2000 index hit a record high intraday on Tuesday as well. The Dow Jones Industrial Average crossed 21,000 and the S&P 500 traded not too far from its record high. Now, this all happened just a day after surging on macro and geopolitical events throughout the day after strong earnings results from several Dow components helped with that upward momentum. Now, given the strong earnings results and an expected announcement from President Trump on tax reform today, there seems to be zero fear in the market, even ahead of a possible government shutdown this weekend if a budget deal is not reached. Now, in fact, the VIX, a broad measure of volatility in the market, sank almost 6% in one day. Going back to 1990, this was the fourth largest one-day percentage drop ever. Defensive sectors and assets such as gold, bonds, and the yen sold off on this rally, while utilities underperformed as investors rotated into financials, tech, industrials, and healthcare. Now, the big news this week is going to be Thursday after the market closes, as we have 5 key NASDAQ-listed components all reporting at the same time. From the NASDAQ market site in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino, and this is VOA Business News.